I'm on my way, I'm on my way. uh, going. Alright. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Hello. Whoa.
Hello? Dude, while you were gone, I killed somebody.
Oh. Oh. Wow. It's got a lot of bone armor.
Well, I guess I killed 2 people. So, here's the other guy.
I guess, you know. I guess.
And there's just still that big guy out front.
There's still the big guy?
Well, he's not alive.
Oh.
There we go. Okay, I think we need to stop burning people. We have enough bones.
Nah, it makes him pissed. Always gotta burn.
Well, then you make another bone carrier thing. How? What is your proposal?
I don't know.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna go to the beach. So you head out. Do you want me to have the walkie-talkie on? Yes or no? Oh! Did you hear that? Charlie?
Yeah?
Did you hear that?
No?
Dude, this like... It was just this woman screaming. Calvin? I'm gonna need you to... how about you get sticks, fill holder? Oh!
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, they killed Kevin! Hurry, Charlie.
Oh, are you dead?
Yes, I'm dead.
Damn it. I'm dead.
You're dead?
I think we
We need to
restart.
save Kevin.
Restart.
Restart?
Leave. I'm leaving.
Like, leave the game?
Yeah, without saving. That way Kevin's alive. Kaelyn? What a silly little guy. Alright. It's time for my... Kaelyn. Oh my gosh, did you die?
Yes, I died. If there were people in the base when I got here.
Alright. Time to go epic gamer mode.
Oh, yeah, I forget.
Alright.
This Kevin's not dead.
Yeah, I'd die a million times for Kevin. I love my boy Kevin.
I forgot how to quickly put away the... I forgot pretty much everything.
Come back here. You think you can just get away with killing Kevin last time or something? You alright?
How do I put away the walkie-talkie? I totally forgot how to do that.
See? Oh.
Oh my gosh.
There's a guy over there.
It's like... Where's Kevin?
gonna sit on the chair to recover some more. Here, man. Perchance lock the door. Do we have any?
Kevin's
wait,
okay. Kevin's making his way back. Do I have food?
Let's see, what do we got? Hey, I got
so
some not rotten
trying
oysters.
to break in.
Heard
someone the wall.
Alright, I'm gonna eat some oysters and then I'll be there. I'll be there. Alright.
I got it.
You got him?
Yeah. Kevin's back.
There's a dead body on this side of the wall.
Oh, yeah, that was the first person I killed.
Oh, I gotta unlock the door for Kevin. Wait, Kevin, no! Kevin, what happened? Oh, he's just maintaining the base.
Place.
Good job, Kevin. That's good, my man. Kanye West.
Okay, wait, you're the black guy. Who am I?
You're also a black guy. You kind of look like a... You look really weird. You look like... Oh, you had your mouth, like, open in a half smile. Like... Oh, like that. It was, like, really weird.
And then you, like, must be my father, because you look like an old black guy.
Treat me with respect, young guy. I'm the old timer here. How do you crouch in this again? Like this. Not great, but we'll take it. Build the wall. Build the wall. Build the wall.
I don't know if you've noticed this or not, but we're not getting as cold as we used to. Like, it's not, we're cold and wet. So, winter must...
Nah, I think being cold and wet is like you get cold and wet when you've been in water and then you don't go up to the fire. It was, and it also gets crazy fast when it is nighttime. It's the middle of the day right now, so.
You want to make bone armor? I think we have plenty of it.
Well, what requirements? Cause what do you need other than?
I think it's like duct tape. Bone armor is rope, duct tape, and bone.
Rope, duct tape. But rope is so good.
Dude, rope spawns by the creek every day.
But I like me some rope.
And on the beat.
Alright. I'm out of duct tape.
No. Well, I have 7.
7 duct tape?
No
or?
need to worry.
I need to go see what Kevin's doing. It looks like he's just running into a wall. What the heck? Whoa! You know the plan.
Okay, I killed him. Did you get him?
No, he's hiding like... Stay back. This is what you get for attacking Kevin.
Okay, I killed 2 guys.
This door ain't
Your
looking
guy
too
dead
hot.
yet? Your guy dead yet?
Yes, he's dead.
Okay, well then.
Is Kevin alright?
By the fire. Kevin, yeah,
Whoa.
I revived him.
You're like, somehow like copying my movements exactly.
We're just in sync, man.
Alright, hey, my chair. That was my chair.
Dude, this has always been my chair.
I should... What
Kevin
food do I have?
He's actually just...
What is this? Hold I? Kaelyn, hold I and you can see your backpack.
Give me a minute. What do you mean? Yeah, that's your inventory. How the... Oh,
No,
oh,
hold. Hold.
Hold it. Oh.
Your voice kind of cut out. That was low-key terrifying. Skin pouch. Skin pouch.
Calvin
Unboxing.
to contain the base, and
he's doing nothing. I got some duct tape.
Do you think it's...
You're cutting out kind of really bad.
Do you think it's late enough to go to sleep?
Likely. It looks like California in here.
I was actually having the same thoughts.
Move.
Dude, I can't. You're gonna have to.
I physically can't, like, get past this.
Oh, sweet. Oh, hey, girl.
Alright. What's up, lady? May I remind you, you are a black guy.
May I remind you, you're a black guy. I watched her bathe in the river twice, okay?
I think that's 1 time too many. 2 times too many, actually.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, did you threaten her?
No.
Do we not have a stick carrier?
How do I put away my stuff again?
G.
Why does she run so, like... Where are you running from? Hold on, watch this. Where are you gonna go now? The door's locked. Those 3 legs will get you nowhere.
Well, dude, just hold still and see if she'll go near you.
She's trying to
Bought us
sign.
gifts 1 time. Is that Calvin out there? Or did it? Hey, girl. Oh man, she faced through the wall. Okay, well.
Awesome.
Commitment.
Magical.
Alright, what do I have in my inventory?
I'm above you.
That's nice.
Literally and physically. Metaphorically. Biologically. Hey.
Biologically? Actually, in real life, I am biologically above you.
No.
Yep.
On the hereditary chart, who's higher? The answer? Me.
Oh my, get off of me. Oh my gosh, I can't, I actually can't.
I had it. I was doing so well.
Alright, I'm going to go to the beach. See?
I'll come with you. Beach time.
Get food. Beach time. Wait, we should have Calvin. Hey, Calvin. Oh.
Don't think you can rest just yet. Maintain the base.
Wait, maybe that's why he's sitting down, because there's nothing to be maintained.
No. See?
Father? Thank you for the Ista. Did you just eat it? Frick you, man.
I'm sorry. I meant to pick it. I meant to pick it up. I meant to pick it up.
Oh yeah, did you?
I did. Why would I have any reason to eat something so, like, unbeneficial?
I don't even want to talk to you.
Don't take that tone. I am your father.
Sorry, Dad. Whoa.
What was that?
Did you throw something at me?
What are you talking about? I'd never hurt my son.
Stop it. You stop it, you did. I'm watching your stream, you idiot. Okay. Hey, so, I have groceries that I kind of need to get real quick. Can you, like, protect me if, I go AFK?
Mm-hmm.
I mean it, dude. Don't kill me.
I won't. Is this where the muscles are?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh. I don't like getting that, like, close-up picture of the oyster.
Okay, stop. Okay, I'm gonna leave for like 2 seconds. I mean it, dude. Don't kill me. Stop.
I just want to pet you, my son.
How about you go away?
Simba.
Okay, I'll be
I'm gonna try to hunt some
I'll be back
seagulls.
in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey, best friend. Guess who didn't save me?
Guess who was
Come on,
raided
man,
by
I don't-
5 different people? I tried. I nearly killed one. I was berated, okay?
I literally had so much bone armor,
I
and now
literally...
guess what I don't have?
Okay, guess who literally didn't come back after 5 minutes?
For like 2 seconds. I mean, dude. My dad wanted me to log groceries. Get all the groceries going, okay?
Get all the groceries going? Like cooking them or what? What?
Like, no, like put away.
That doesn't take that long, you know. You just throw it in there while you're grabbing them. You fool! I have a direct shot at your head right now.
No.
Give me one reason why I shouldn't take your life.
I'm your son.
Wrong.
What the heck? Dang, I was just getting my health going too. Get off the walkie-talkie.
I'm sorry.
I was just getting my health going
Are you down on health? But that didn't hit you.
Oh, it did actually, first of all.
Okay, were you watching the stream?
I was only watching the stream to see if you'd kill me, and so I was like talking to my dad about it, and all of a sudden, like, fire. I see you, like, you were going in circles around me, making like a sigil or something. I was like, what is this guy doing? And you weren't talking for like 20 minutes. I was telling my dad, like, dude, if he's gonna be a streamer, just talk.
This does not work. I'm gonna cook some fish.
I'm gonna... Charles?
Yeah?
I forgot my question.
Alright. Oh, I was meaning to eat that. Oh, I did. I'm just a silly guy. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. Alright. Alright.
What were you doing?
Nothing.
Stop.
I bet I get more fish than you. Come on.
Nah.
This walkie-talkie's in the way. Got one.
I have 3.
I've only found one. No, come on. Fish. Where are you, fish? Come on. Save your friend while you can. Be a hero. Come on. I wonder where this leads. I haven't found any more fish. Wonder where Kaelyn is. Way far away. Alright. It's just a trophy. It's just the head of a squirrel. I already have one. I remember that.
Do you think if I end up to go to bed, like, and then get off?
Got one. Okay. There's gotta be more.
Okay.
Alright. Sorry, I was just hunting like a pro. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Yeah, I just saw you slam down on the rock.
I mean, I was opening my inventory. Alright, come on.
What was Kevin running from? Did you not see that?
I don't.
He just
I
went.
did see that, and I thought it was you.
What? I was right behind you. He is fast. I can't tell where he started from.
I told him to take a rest.
I don't think that's quite taking a rest.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Alright, let's go.
Get out of my way, peon. I caught 3 fish and a squirrel.
Ooh. Alright.
Save and sleep. Shit. No. Close the door.
Oh, that doesn't sound.
I don't like the sound of that at all. I'm gonna see what it is.
I think I know what it is. It's a sluggy.
Oh no, it's just a mouth breather.
Aren't those what sluggies are? Yeah, it's a sluggy.
I call them mouth breathers.
Get your spear and.
I have my spear. I'm trying to see if I can line up a shot. I got 2 on him. Go under.
Go under. I can't go under anymore because of the frickin' log thing. Oh, there we go. That is...
I'm getting cold fast. I keep hearing nasty sounds.
Yeah, because I'm killing him. Oh!
Oh man, he just busted.
He busted.
I'm gonna get creepy armor. What is that sound?
Is there another one?
No, it's like a sound of like that. Did you hear it? Oh my gosh, it's these little rat things.
Are they attacking you? Oh!
Watch out. I say we just go to bed. I don't think they do anything. They're harmless little fellows. Oh my gosh, it's in.
I'm here, literally go.
Those sound.
Yeah. Cause it's the frickin' rats, dude.
They're so annoying. They're babies, oh my gosh. They lunge at you. I don't have a spear. Oh my gosh, I do have spears.
Is that it? I don't hear anymore.
Ow! Stupid baby.
I think that's it.
Nah, this baby's getting it. Oh my gosh, its head came off. Ah!
Where'd it come from?
Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Kaelyn,
How'd you die?
did you kill me? It looked like I was getting some like malevolent back shot or something.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright. Now is it safe enough? Hurry up, Kaelyn, I'm waiting. I'm literally waiting, man.